Hello everyone. Thank you for joining Uila 2 minutes demo. Our topic today is identify hidden network bottlenecks. As you know, Uila has been providing solutions for monitoring application performance, end user complaint, and server infrastructure health. With Uila monitoring, we can help you identify the root cause wherever the root cause might be in. In our demonstration today, we are going to talk about the root cause being bursty and intermittent network loads and application events that's causing the application performance issue as well as end user complaint. With the Uila new network device monitoring feature using SNMP solution, we're able to correlate end user complaint, end user experience, application performance, especially networking delay, to network device level utilization, saturation, and error conditions. Looking into the Uila application, as you can see here, Uila can identify automatically for you application performance issue, networking latency through deep packet inspection, as well as server infrastructure, and as well as user experience issues. Application performance issue, for example, we identify the application and especially identify the application response time. For example, in this case, starting from 7:10, you have about 10 minutes of slowdown, and from about 8:10, you have another 10 minutes of slowdown. Networking wise, in similar ways, not only identifying the networking issue, but give you the detailed statistic as networking delay, network round trip time, network packet loss, in this case, a lot of delay at about 8:20 time frame. End user experience, we're able to identify site by site and site traffic to the data center, to individual client, identify retransmission to the site, network round trip time delay to the site. Again, as you can see from here, at about 8:10 or 7:10, 7:50 time frame, you will see the network delay. And that is identical to the previous application performance delay at about 7:10 and also 8:10 time period lasting for 10 minutes each. And also, what we are wondering right now is how has the network bottleneck saturation contributed to the facts? In an enterprise, you may have thousands of ports. In our case, we can identify the problematic ports very quickly in any time period with a single click to find out the time period where you may have port stress point, as well as identifying which ports, in this case 2 ports, are having stress overutilization during this 2 chunk of time, which happen to be exactly the same time as our application and end user complaint is. One more click will give you the detailed statistic for the 2 ports, which is on the 2 switches on port 15 and port 41, and the saturation point started out from exactly 7:10 and 8:10 in the morning. Not only we identify the ports that's causing the issue with its port utilization, we also can identify what are the other application and devices that utilize the port and also may have been impacted with the list. For example, this particular NSX controller, if you look at its network delay and round trip time and packet loss information, very quickly you'll find out for these 2 port utilization time period, the particular flow, the traffic flow in and out of this NSX controller suffer from the same delay. So with this, you know your physical device port utilization at the physical networking layer are causing your application delay, application performance issue, end user complaint. The one last step now is to find out the culprit. Who are causing the network utilization saturation? Who are the top talker? With one simple click on network analysis, you'll very quickly see the pair of conversation where all the minute one as well as the big dominating traffic are 2 pairs of conversation from the DB load balancer to 2 different DB server. One is MySQL DB 1001-1, the other one being MySQL DB 1002. With this identification, we can resolve the issue very quickly and find the solution to your application service delivery issue and user complaint. Thank you very much for tuning in to our demo.